little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and in the night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark, and something came creeping. It told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top of the mountains are valley low, give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in you. Everything you want to gonna be the magic story you've been told, and you'll be safe from my control. Just let me in you. Just let me in. She was hypnotized and walking in cold thin ice. Then it broke. She awoke again. And she ran